Hello, I am Toddler, Shania. My friends and family call me Toddler. How about you? What is your nickname? I want to be your friend. Let's share little things about ourselves. Were you born on a sunny morning of July like me? What are your hobbies? I love to draw and dance too. Sometimes I play sports. How about you? My favorite color is purple. Purple bag, purple umbrella, purple ball. I have them all. Do you love purple like me? There are some instruments that I can play. Tell me your favorite song and I'll play it on your special day. Do you have pets like me? Are there foods that makes you happy? I wonder what would you like to be when you grow up?